Hello world, this is JWP, JWP Primo Beats, coming to you live from my bedroom. For around 20 years, I've been mixing and mastering music, rapping, songwriting. Recently started singing, along with everything else that goes with music production, such as graphic design and editing, photo editing, video editing. And for around 15 years, I've been using SynthEdit to make my own audio plugins. Check out my website, JWPsite.com, for my social links, latest news and updates, and public offerings. If you'd like to help support what I do, check out my GoFundMe, JWP Fund, or my PayPal, JWPmas@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever makes you click, I appreciate it. I'll be doing another unboxing, another quick unboxing here, and I do these, as I say, almost all the time to get video evidence that things are working the way they are, right? So same thing again here. I got a different camera now, which is interesting. Still look fat. Fat man. I think it's just like the way my shirt's wrinkled, my holy shirt. Holy shirt! Yeah, I think it's just the perception. Here it is, and this time I was smart enough to bring something to cut things open with here. So, inside bag, there's more bags. These bags, inside these bags, oops, I got the scissors right there, but one dock, hopefully it's the right dock. Yes, that's the right dock there. Okay, so I guess I can test that now. Just using my phone. Okay, did they give a block? I didn't give a block. Oh, they did give a block. Oh, it's the wrong kind of block. Okay. Alright, got a cord here. Power plugs over there. I can get out of this thing. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Then dock here. Just a dock, right? It's made for these phones. So what I'll do, I guess the cord doesn't really matter right now. I could just use this other cord. I just have to test the dock itself. And then, yeah. I don't know if it's charging. Okay, so here's input. It says like that. Yeah, looks good. It's charging. I'll put it back on its original dock here. And hopefully the cord works. Okay, so that's done. I got a screen protector to do too. Okay. So same thing again. I'm not sure these phones are going to be around much longer. So I wanted to get them while I could. They got a lot going on for them. It's a lot of good stuff. Speaker, heavy duty. It's a 256 space. Lots of battery, 128 space. That's still quite a bit. Okay. Just cut open here. I don't know where the screen protector went. Maybe it comes with it inside. Usually they do, right? scissors. Garbage. I hope it's in here. I'm not seeing it. There it is. Okay, again, another useless block, another power cord, and another useless tether. Bunch of instructions. And here's the phone here. Get it out of its sleeve. Put that down for now. Okay. Might as well just do the screen protector now, I guess. Is it like stuck to it? No. So I'll do the... Oh, I guess there's no point if it doesn't work, right? So let's turn it on first. Okay, so it goes again. Can't really see that. Oh, you can. There's just a film on it as well. Sort of like infographic kind of thing. It's probably hard to see. So this one, is it black as well? I got the black version opposed to an orange one. Or yellow, I don't know exactly. Okay, let's go there. That. I gotta get my Wi-Fi password in here. If ever I can find it. Yes, I think. Is that it? No. There it is. And again, I shouldn't read out loud, right? I was doing that before, just reading it out loud. Okay, so it looks good. So far things are running smoothly. Can't believe how my stomach looks, man. Didn't even feel that fat. And I guess camera adds 10 pounds, they say. Belly man. I just look like such a poor couch potato. I think it's just like the perception, because I'm not really like that fat, am I? Do I just like Jabba the Hutt here? It's loading. So I need to take it straight into the OS before I'll peel the screen and add the protector. Get the scissors out of here. What does it want now? Alright then. So I got it this far. Good. It's running. I can see Android. So now we get to see my belly again. And then the screen protector. So this one comes off and turn off the screen here. Take this one off. I can't even see that. Forward, back, forward. And then the moment of truth here. Oh, of course it did. Maybe like that for now. And then usually what I like to do is... Why does it have a bubble? Why does it look like it already has a screen protector? What? Why? It looks like it already has a screen protector, but like that's no good. Because mine is better, apparently. So how do I take this one off? Yeah, this one's thinner. So it must be like part of the whole phone thing. Just like a film. It's not even, doesn't even feel like a screen protector. Of course. Of course. I'm getting all greasy. Yeah, it's not even like really anything. There. Yeah, it's just like a film. It's not even tempered glass or anything. I don't know which side's down now. I think it's pretty much the same anyway. I wonder which side's dirty though. I think it's that side. Yeah, so the side is the downside here. So then I butt it up against the back here. And then just drop it. There. Push out the little air that's left. Of course, it doesn't want to completely push out all out. Alright, that's done. Everything seems to be working as expected, so I'm gonna call this a stream. I'll deal with this, the rest of this stuff off screen here. And yeah. Check out my website, JWPsite.com, for my social links, latest news and updates, and public offerings. If you'd like to help support what I do, check out my Ulefone, JWP Fund, or my PayPal, JWPmas@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever makes you click, I appreciate it.